Hey there folks, Slayton here, another exciting removal. This time we're in the town of McAllen, Texas. We got some bees underneath a pile of timber, old fence pickets. So we're supposed to get some rain tonight, so hopefully we don't get caught in the rain earlier because it looks like it's going to start to pour, but it's February 2018 and February is always a crazy month for us as far as weather-wise. God bless us, we don't get stung so much. Hopefully find that queen, put up a show for y'all. Stay tuned. No, fruit. Yeah, they're built for spring.
This.
I grew up around it.
Liked it.
You say that, and I just been around them since.
You find the queen.
I look for her in a little bit.
And
She looks like a roach. I'll show her to you in a
so that's how you get
your box.
the
Yeah. Smoke them out from underneath their house, and I've seen people burn down their mobile homes.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
That's not good.
And you know, sometimes you'll smoke them, and that's people trying to get rid of them. And you'll burn the house down first before you get rid of the hive, if it's a big enough hive for them to. As is, we start getting to the fun where the bees are at.
Oh boy.
Yeah. So there's bees in there. It's just, you know,
Oh my gosh.
I make it look a little easy. Se lo va a pasar para.
Well, they're not so calm anymore. Come on, snap.
Now we're looking for the queen.
Yeah, you went for the queen in there.
Yeah. People watch my videos on YouTube, they think this is fake, that
I can imagine.
they're scripted and you know, they can't comprehend what I'm able to do. And I'm like, well, you know what? I stopped asking a long time ago why I'm able. I just do it now.
Yeah.
Some people want to get holistic on me and say it's a gift and this and that. I'm like, look, it might be a gift or it might be a curse, depending how you want to look at it, because I do get stung.
Do you?
I'm guessing this many can produce a lot of honey.
Acá la bolita. Acá la bolita.
That's where they're at. Wow. ¿Esta está bien?
Sí, ahí lo está agarrando.
¿Me está agarrando aquí?
Sí.
Bueno, ahí va. She should be somewhere in here.
Roach on the bottom, man. Facing. Looks like there was a roach though. You see it? See it inside the bottom. So it looks like a roach. It looks like a roach. I think it was a roach. Another big pile, look at that.
¿Qué está grabando esto aquí ahora?
Sí.
Aquí está.
You see her?
Yeah, she's right here. Got the queen right here. I'll show it to you right now. Let me just suéltame aquí para que me siga. Queen bee, folks. Queen kiss. Let me show it to the homeowners. Sígame con la cámara. See how bigger her abdomen is?
Yeah.
She looks like a roach almost. In the springtime, she'll look bigger. Her abdomen will get bigger as she starts laying more eggs. Up to 2,000 eggs a day, she'll start laying.
Really?
So her abdomen will,
Really? Wow.
yeah. But,
That's amazing.
did you get your pictures?
I got it.
Okay. Let me close that video out.
I gotta go get my dad. He'll get you the check. I'll leave
Yes,
it
ma'am.
on the table.
Okay.
Folks, queen kiss. Mwah. Thank you, Father, for allowing me to do what I do. Without you, I am nothing. Thank you, Saint Martha, Patron Saint, Siddiq, our guardian angel. Queen kiss. Once again, folks, be smart, be safe, be strong. Subscribe up on top. Give us a like down below. Leave us a comment. We'll get back to you as soon as we can. We're getting 2018 season rolling. February 17th today, so you know, and you'll get there. Follow us on Facebook Live. You can order our honey, BeStrongHoney.com. Order us, support our Saving the Bees campaign. Till next time, keep saving them bees.